Welcome to the project demonstration of battery management system with fire protection. In this project we are using DC fan and DC motor and transistor board, battery pack, 2 relays and step down transformer, Arduino Nano Uno board and buzzer, Arduino Uno board and buzzer board, and also here we can see LCD display with the LCD driver. Also here we can see the converter, and here we can see this one is the current sensor and this one is the voltage sensor, and also here we can see the 2 push buttons for the battery charging, and also here we can see temperature sensor which sense the temperature. So it will give the power supply through this power cable. It will take 230 volts of AC power supply and it will step down up to 12 volts of AC supply. That AC supply will be given to this converter, full bridge converter, which converts AC to DC. So it takes input of 12 volts AC and will give output of 12 volt DC. So that DC will be step down into 5 volts through this LM25 through this IC. So the IC name is 7805. So it is a voltage regulator. So it takes 12 volts and will give a 5 volts. So that 5 volts will be given to this track. Through this track we will take 5 volts and give to the all components like Arduino Nano Uno board, buzzer and these push buttons, sensors, relays. So let will be the power supply. So here we can see it is showing welcome to the BMS. So here we can see the voltage levels of the battery and also we can see the current value. So if I on this switch, here we can see the switch. So if I on this switch, motor will be rotated. So the motor value of the current will be displayed here. So here we can see the value. If I off this switch, and also it will be come to 0 mA. mA means milliamps. And also here we can see the another switch. It is for voltage of it is a switch for this battery pack voltage. So if I off this one, so here we can see 0 voltage. So it will off the power supply to this sensor, which means battery pack is become less. That's why it is giving a buzzer alert. And if I on this one, so it is more than 7 volts, then it will be calm down. So if I want to charge this battery packs when this battery pack is low voltage, so again I off this switch and now it will show a low voltage, which means battery don't have any charge. Then we will give a one push. So here we can see one relay is on. If I want to charge this battery pack very fastly, we will give another push. Now here we can see another relay is on, which means this battery getting very fast charging. So if the battery is become more, automatically relays will be get switched off, means charging will be get switched off automatically. And also if any fire detected in this system, so this temperature sensor will be calculate that fire temperature. So if here we can see high temperature is showing. If it is temperature more than 45 degrees, then automatically give a buzzer alert. And also here we can see fan is rotating. So when it is become less than 45 degrees, then it will be automatically off. In this way this project will be works.